Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by clarifying what the QR will deliver and why. Pick a content type, URL, vCard, Wi-Fi credentials, or payment link, and prepare the final Vietnamese text with correct diacritics so readers see accents properly. Once done, shorten long links or select a reliable domain to keep the QR simple and scannable. Make sure to use UTF-8 encoding when pasting content. These steps reduce errors later and ensure scanning apps display Vietnamese correctly and quickly. You now build and style the QR code. Pick a generator that supports UTF-8 so Vietnamese characters remain intact, then set high error correction, Q or H, if you plan visual customizations. Adjust size and quiet zone so phones can read it. Choose strong color contrast, dark foreground on light background. If you add a logo, keep it centered and small. Once generated, export in vector, SVG/PDF, for print, and raster, PNG, for screens. Test with different apps to confirm reliability. You finish by validating and deploying. Scan the QR on at least 3 devices, Android, iPhone, and an older model, using 2 different reader apps to confirm Vietnamese text and links work. For print, set minimum size around 2.4 cm depending on viewing distance and export at 300 dpi. Use vector files for large formats. Add UTM tags or a short URL to track scans and create a fallback page in case the primary resource fails. Troubleshooting tip. If accents...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.